Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can add an additional store or main store in TranZact. So suppose if you are keeping multiple warehouses, so in that case you want to keep all the warehouses on TranZact and all the data accordingly segregated in your inventory. How you can do so? So first you need to add a store on TranZact. You need to click on all modules, go to settings. Now here you need to go to inventory segment. Once you will go to inventory, please check. This is your in-stock store. Now here, please check, I have already added 3 stores. So on your right hand side, you will get an option of add in stock store. Click on that. Then after you can give a name to the store. So let me quickly add in store. I will just go ahead and fill up all the detail. GSTIN type and GSTIN store is required if you are doing bill from, ship from, and while creating e-bill, it will be helpful. So address 1, it is 32 Corporate Avenue, Andheri East. City is Mumbai. Pin is, I can select market as default. If I will select market as default, I will not be able to delete that particular store. Now, once I click on save, this particular store is added. I can go ahead and delete or edit previous stores as well. Here on 3 dot, you will see an option of edit and delete. After edit, I can go ahead and make the changes. Now here you can see that delete option is there. I can select it and then after it will ask for confirmation. I will click on yes. If stock is present in that particular store, then that particular store will not get deleted. So now this is my current, this is my just added store. What I will do, I will quickly just go ahead and select this as mark as default, and then after I will go to delete, click on confirmation, and yes, this particular store is deleted. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to add a store on TranZact. Have a good day ahead.